Okay friends, to get started on replacing our hood props, I just first want to say that you want to do these as a pair. Typically when you do this, it's because the hood doesn't stay up, so of course you want to just go ahead and use some locking pliers and then hold the piston on one side, and we're going to go over to the other side and replace that piston first. So now looking at the top of the piston, you're going to see that you have a little clippy-do right along here. Just using a small pocket screwdriver, if you were to get underneath that clip and then carefully pull it away, that's going to unlock this. As you can tell, it comes right off. We'll do the same to the bottom real quick. And then it pops right off. Let's grab our new shock. It's gonna be time to install our brand new part. Obviously you wanna make sure that you have the tubing area facing down and then the piston area facing up. Just come right over to the mounting point, give it a nice little squeeze. You'll hear it latch in and then give it a wiggle. Make sure it's completely secured and then do the same to the top. There we are. Give it a nice wiggle, like I said, make sure it's completely secured. The process will be the same for the other side.